In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Sora 2 videos in 2025 with a comprehensive step-by-step guide. Whether you're new to video creation or looking to expand your creative toolkit, this tutorial will help you navigate through the process with ease. To kick off, the first thing you'll need to do is open Sora. This is where you'll bring your video vision to life. Upon opening the application, make sure you sign in to your account. Having an account ensures that all your creations are saved and accessible whenever you need them. If you don't have an account yet, simply follow the prompts to set one up. It's quick and straightforward. Next, you'll want to create a new project. Within Sora, this is as simple as clicking on the Create New button. This opens up a fresh canvas for your video making journey. Creating a new project in Sora is the best way to organize your thoughts and start building content with a clear direction in mind. Now here's where you'll inject your creativity. You'll be writing a prompt. Think of this as the cornerstone of your video. Your prompt should include the subject you wish to focus on, the action you want to capture, the style you envision, and the mood you'd like to convey. For instance, imagine you're working on a travel video. Your prompt might include a scenic destination as the subject, the action of exploring, a cinematic style, and an adventurous mood. Being detailed and specific in your prompt will provide clear guidance for what you want your video to achieve. While this next step is optional, it can be highly effective. Consider adding an image, video, or cameo reference. These elements can enrich your video's narrative by adding layers of context or familiarity, making the end product more engaging. You'll find that these references can drastically enhance the storytelling aspect of your video. Once your prompt is set, it's time to generate the video. Sora's powerful tools will begin to work, crafting a video based on the prompt you've provided. After the video is generated, take some time to review it. Pay attention to the details and see if it aligns with your vision. If there are aspects that don't quite meet your expectations, you can tweak the prompt and regenerate the video. This iterative process ensures you get the best possible result. Finally, when you're satisfied with your creation, go ahead and export your video. Sora makes it easy to share your masterpiece with the world. Once exported, you can directly post it on your desired platform, showcasing your creativity to a broader audience, and there you have it. A comprehensive guide to creating videos with Sora 2 in 2025. Happy creating, and may your videos inspire and captivate.